our habitat, the Earth. The Earth is the only non-planet on which life is found in the form of human beings, animals, and plants. The Earth is also surrounded by a layer of air which is called atmosphere. The atmosphere supports life on the earth. The surface of the earth is not the same everywhere. The surface is made up of land and water. The large bodies of land are called continents, whereas the large water bodies are called oceans. Water covers almost 71% of water 71% of the earth's surface. That is why the earth is called the watery planet. Land covers almost 29% of the earth's surface. Let us discuss the major landforms of the earth. Island, a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides, is called an island. Peninsula, a piece of land surrounded by water on three sides, is called a peninsula. Plain, the low and level surface, is called a plain. Plain areas are very useful. The farmers grow crops on the plains. Cities, factories, and roads are built on the plain land. Most of the people live in the plains. Forest, the areas covered with trees are known as the forest. Forests cover large part of the land. Forests contain natural vegetation and wildlife. Rivers. Rivers are the main source of water. They contain fresh water. People use river water for drinking, cooking, and cleaning. Plants and animals also use this water. Farmers use water for irrigation. Rainfall or glaciers are the main source of water for rivers and lakes. Mountains and hills. In some areas, the land is higher than that of the plains. Very high hills are called mountains. The pointed top of a mountain is called a peak. The slopes of the hills and mountains are steep. Most of the mountains experience cool weather throughout the year. Most of them are covered with snow. Many people go to hill station during the summer season. Some of the lower slopes have thick forest. Valley. Many rivers originate from the mountains. They flow into the river valleys. The low land between two mountains or hills is called a valley. The land and in the river valley is very fertile. Plateau. Highland having a flat top is called plateau. It is also called a tableland. Desert. The land covered with sand is called a desert. There is lack of water in the desert. There are very few plants and animals in the deserts. The main plant that grows in desert is cactus. It stores water in its fleshy stem. The camel is important and useful animal found in the desert. Polar regions. On our earth, the north and south poles remain snow covered throughout the year. These places are extremely cold and are called the polar regions.